Welcome everyone to Ryan Richards Slots. I'm here at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Trying my luck on a Lightning Link, the Magic Pearl. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so our ticket is in. These are the progressives up above that we're playing for. I'll do the 10-cent denom, $2.50 a spin. So we need 6 of those pearls or any 3 of those dolphins in order to trigger the bonus. And then that girl, or mermaid, whatever that thing is, she's wild. Just make sure the volume's out. Yep. It's the quieter game, I guess. All kinds of wilds, but nothing lined up. One more, I think. Had nice numbers too, but come on, let's get something to line up here. All right, turtles. We just cannot seem to get those pearls. One more, no. Come on, pearls. And 2 dolphins. Got a little line hit there, 650. Come on. Oh. There we go. Alright, so we got, I don't even know, like 50 bucks. Let's fill it up. Let's get something with letters. Let's get that minor. Oh, I saw the mini go down. Come on, save it. No. All right, let's see how we did. All right, 80 bucks. All right, let's do our backup spins. See if we can't get another retrigger, another bonus here. Oh, just hoping to get that dolphin in that last reel. We'll just play it down to 140 and then hopefully go find another lucky slot machine. And the last spin. All right. That's going to do it on the Lightning Link, the Magic Pearl. We did luck out and get the coin bonus. Unfortunately, we kind of put it back in, doing the backup spins, but oh well. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.